We back at it, AutoZone Part 2. It's probably gonna be like 5 parts of this because the storage is so great. You understand? Battery cables for your terminals. People's battery terminals corrode and they be pouring coke and all types of stuff. You understand? You could come here and get a brand new one for $31. Replace it yourself. Dealership gonna cost you at least $500, something outrageous. It's just craziness. They even got battery cleaner. You don't have to use the Coca-Cola. You understand? This is a legit Kentwood. This is the best, one of the best in the market. You got decent dash cams too. Get you out the bind when an accident happens or somebody tries to fake your insurance on you. They got transfer cases. Come on, man. They got subwoofers, all types of stuff, man. This right here, I don't even know what to call this. This is just something everybody should invest in. And I'm going to tell you what it is when I figure it out too, because I don't know. I'm not even going to lie to you. I don't even know what this is. Lift support. Man, this is for the hood. Literally the hood of your car. These are man, look. I know a lot of people going through this right now. When they lift their hood up on their car, it go immediately straight back down. This is what's going on. You don't have these. These right here, oh, man, wonderful. Now I'm gonna get to something that a lot of GM owners need to do. And I have bought this product from here. This is bushings. Okay, bushings. Everybody needs bushings for their transmission. They go out. They're made of like a rubber, almost plastic-like substance. They crack, corrode, get old. When this happens, you cannot put your car out of park or reverse or whatever gear it in. It's just your gear selector just goes dull and dead on you. It's just limp. It's over. This is how you fix this. You come here and you grab this part, you understand? And then you also grab one of these. Now, it's subject to change in color, but this one right here is for like Escalades. You understand? Certain models, like the EXT version, especially 2013, the one I have, you understand? So, great. Get your own oil. Oil changing is not hard. Ladies, y'all can change oil. Trust me. Well, this is coolant, actually. Look at this. Coolant as well. If you need coolant, put it in your radiator. Car running hot, you got cracked heads or whatnot, don't put that water in there. Stop doing that. I hate to tell you, don't do that no more. Just come get it. Everything you need is here. You understand? Even the goofy stuff. We're going to take hold on for the boys with the trucks. You understand? I know y'all like y'all lights and stuff. This is not a high grade light, but it works. We got toe straps. We got hitches.